Hey guys, sorry I had to leave today, but I want to go over with you what you are going to be working on in class. So I'm going to show you now what you would see if I was there in class with you. So basically today is all about lists. So I want you to think about your website plan. I know I have them in my room, which will be locked. Just do the best you can, okay? But think about what you want to put on your website and think where you might have lists on your websites. What would these lists be of? Would they be an ordered list, which would be numbered, or would they be an unordered list, which would be bulleted? Now, a lot of you yesterday were already starting to make lists on your first page of your website, which is great. So I'm going to show you now what that's going to look like. So basically, actually, let me go to this slide. So if you were going to put this in code, okay, you want an order list that looks something like this. You type on one line, you just type OL, which stands for ordered list, and then you write what you want to list, like orange, purple, green, if that, you wanted to write those. LI stands for list item. You have to have an open list item tag and a close list item tag before and after each thing in your list. And then at the end, you have to tell the computer to close the ordered list. Okay, so this is the screen to help you with the ordered list. It's also in code.org in their directions. For an unordered list, say you want bullets, not numbers, you do the same thing, but instead of the OL for ordered list, you do the UL for unordered list. But again, UL, list item orange, close list item purple, close list item, so forth. Do the same with green. And then close the closing tag for unordered list. So in lesson 6, I want you to know ahead of time, numbers 3, 4, and 5 will be graded. Make sure you to read over number 6 to fully understand what you're doing. And at the end, you get to add on your second page in lesson 6, number 8. Like I said, you might want to skip that and go on to 7 because I'm not here today and I have all of your papers locked up in my room. But if, you can do that from memory, that would be great because you're going to have time to add on to everything anyway. Let me just see what's all on here. Let me go back to code.org. So in code.org, number 2, I want to explain this. Directions are having you basically use the inspector tool code to see what is making the two different kinds of lists and basically fix the code so that so the second item in each list displays correctly. So if I minimize or maximize this, you can see that we're missing a bullet here in the unordered list, and here this should be a numbered direction, but we skip it and then go 2, 3, 4 down here. So all you would have to do, let me show you, is you turn on your inspector tool, you can see, okay, yep, it's right here, 1 cup of sugar. So I go over here, I just make it my list item, close list item, okay, and then it fixes that, and then the other one is right here. So if I turn my inspector tool on, it's right here. So list item, and then close list item, okay? And yeah, so the big thing to remember today, guys, is just to read the directions. So 3, what did I say? Let's look here. Number 3, 4, and 5 will be graded. Okay, thank you. If you have any questions, send me an email. I might be able to respond. Not sure, but I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks. Bye-bye.